everyone, welcome to our Kyomi Sense YouTube series. And in this very first episode of ours, we'll be discussing our Summarine facial exfoliating scrubs. And in our Summarine collection, we have facial exfoliating scrubs for 3 different skin types. And they are oily to combination skin, normal to dry skin, and all skin types. And now I'm going to discuss the 3 facial scrubs that are suitable for oily to combination skin. That is our lemon scrub, our strawberry scrub, and our guava scrub. And for our normal to dry skin, we have our mango scrub, our cantaloupe scrub, and our blueberry scrubs. And the facial scrubs for our all skin types, we have kiwi, apple, and watermelon. And later on in our upcoming episodes, I will explain further about the benefits of each fruit. A lot of people also ask us what kind of skin types they have. So I'm just quickly going to briefly explain how to identify the type of skin that you have. So if you have oily secretions that tend to form around your forehead, the nose of your bridge, around your chin, and on the sides of your cheek, you have combination skin. Or if you have these oily secretions around the whole area of your face, then you have full-blown oily skin. Therefore, you fall under oily to combination skin. If you do not normally tend to have oily secretions on any area of your face, especially during summertime, then you are definitely classified under dry skin. And if you don't usually get oily secretions, and if you don't get any sort of pimple outbreaks or acne outbreaks or any blemishes on your skin, then you're usually classified as normal skin types because you just don't experience any side effects from environmental or hormonal side effects. So for those that don't know what exfoliation means and why it's important to exfoliate your skin, exfoliation is the process of removing the dead skin cells that tend to build up over time on the surface of your skin. And usually the buildup of these dead skin cells can cause dry skin because your skin won't have the actual space to let in moisture to moisturize the healthy new cells under the layers of the dead skin. And for those with oily skin, when the glands secrete the oily particles onto the top layers of your skin, it will form over the dead skin cells and therefore binding with the dead skin cells. Okay, so before you start using our facial scrubs, you first have to cleanse your face with a face wash. We don't have any face washes in our ranges yet, but it is coming very soon. So you first have to cleanse your face with a face wash, and then once you have washed and rinsed the soap off your face, that's when you now start applying the facial scrub onto your skin while your skin is still wet. You massage the exfoliates into your skin. And depending on how much time you have, you can massage the scrub into your skin until all the exfoliates have melted away and you are left with a lotion residue on the top layer of your skin, and then you can wash it off. For those of you who have oily skin, you have the option of not adding a face lotion after using our facial scrubs because it is very moisturizing, or you can still add a face lotion, but I would personally recommend that you add a face lotion with an SPF, especially if you're going out into the sun. Did you know that our facial scrubs contain sugar granules instead of salt granules? The reason why I formulated it that way is that if you have a small cut somewhere on your skin, you will not burn, but if it contains salt, you will definitely burn. Our scrubs also do not contain any soapy ingredients in it because I wanted to make sure that the scrub just focuses on the actual function of the scrub, which is to actually remove the dead skin layers on the surface of your skin, which prevents the moisture intake into the surface of your skin. Therefore, the moisturizing function is what is just necessary, man. There's no need for soaps, okay? That's it. No need for it to be a soapy ingredient, okay? And that brings us to the end of our episode. Hope you guys learned a lot, and remember, love thyself.